Greetings all. It's been a while, probably over a year. Oops, my bad. But I'm here again. I bought the new Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I got the two big boys because, oh, why not? Miss Jeffree Star, taking the coin always, which is fine. Take it, make me beautiful. So I'm here to unveil what I got. I haven't watched any of the unboxing videos because I wanted to be surprised, and also I didn't really know when it was coming because of COVID. Hey! Anyway, so I'm here to unveil. I did open one on accident because my camera, thanks camera, messed up. So I'm just going to go through what I already unveiled, but then the big one I have not opened yet, so I'm here for it. So the first thing I saw was this cute shirt. It's long sleeve. I make sure it's in view. Thanks, watch. Has a cute little snowflake on the back. Super cute. Love the sleeve. So not mad at it. I know this is the limited edition item in this box. And then I got velvet trap because this is everything. The magnetic new lock. Love that. I thought I just stopped it again. But I got color, oops, there's on the top. Dominatrix, which is a kind of like a brown, but it could be brownish red, very like BDSM, I'm guessing, which I'm here for it. So that's what the velvet trap lip I got. And then I got, this is like the bigger item I got, was the velour lipstick set, the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star with the piggy wiggy. Piggy wiggy 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 wiggy. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This comes with 6. Like, this is sickening. I did not buy this collaboration. I do have some type of feelings for Shane Dawson. No shade, no tea. Or all shade. I forget. But yeah, this is cute. I'm here for it. I'm already living for it. Jeffree, what the did you say? Okay, so that was cute. I got the iconic Orange Palette. I already have this, so I will be trading with someone. And then I got Unicorn Blood, which one of my besties wear this. It is suckling, so I can't wait to be wearing this. And then I got the gloss. I got Top Table, which is a very, I want to say it's kind of like a nudie woody sheer. Having some technical difficulties. Hang on. Okay, yay! But yes, this is let me swatch it. Oh, very nude, but this is giving me Kim K vibes, like, I'm here for it. So, can you see it? You can see it. And then I got the Gemini lip liner, which I am a Gemini, so what's up? Okay, so that is the first box. And now, Jesus, is that you? Do I cry now or do I cry later? Let's find out. It's so cute inside. It's giving me Christmas. It's giving me... First item already seen. I'm not mad at it. It's giving me holiday. I'm still not mad at it because now I see a second item. First item, I'm shook at the house down because I love this thing. I almost bought this. So thanks, Jeffree. Hi, how are ya? Super cute. I only have like 2 of his bags, but this one I love the shape. And it's great for travel, which my partner and I love to do. So like, I'm here for it. So, sickening. And then, let me just, you stay there. And then I got, oh my goodness, it is a hoodie. I thought it was a shirt. It is a pullover hoodie. that says Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Woohoo! On the side. I am here for this. Come on, Jeffree Lynn. What else did I get in this bad boy? I got a lip scrub. This one is the Blue Raspberry Sucker, which I love. I personally love all the lip scrubs. They make your lips feel very kissable, if I do say so. Translucent powder. Oh! He must have known. I'm out, so now I'm not. Thank you. And it smells like cotton candy. It is everything. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. I got one of the ornaments. My tree is literally Jeffree Star / a nude inspired tree. So another one to the collection. And then for Skin Frost, I got Peach Goddess, which is a very nice color. Let me go ahead and open this bad boy up. Boom, baby. Super nice color. Swatch a little from the bottom. Hello. Let's see. And then this is a palette. I got the Jawbreaker palette. I keep getting this. I don't know why. I've already given one to my sister and one to my friend. And now I have another one to give out. Not mad at it. This is actually a very, very nice palette. I'm probably going to keep this as a backup to my backup. Because you never can have too many backup palettes of your backups. Deceased. I am deceased. Deceased. I love this. Hi, how are ya? I am literally a red, orange type of lady, and this is speaking to me. Prom night. I love prom night. Watermelon soda. Wifey. Because I could be your wifey. This is the Mini Velour lipstick. I love this. So, I'm here for this. Oh, and it does have Anna Nicole. And then I got another gloss. I got Body Count. Let's see if I can open this one up properly because I forgot there's a tab on the bottom. The answer is still no. I can't open this because I hate ripping the box. Okay. Ooh, this is another like very Kim K inspired. Oopsies. I'm not being shady by any means, but I can't see the color difference. One's a little darker, one's a little lighter. I'm not mad at it, I'm here for it. And also, I'm geeked out right now. I'm so geeked out right now. I collect these things. And for Christmas, my partner bought me the Jeffree Star approval one. And I cried because I've always wanted that one. And I never bought it for myself because I never thought my makeup was worthy, but he thinks so, so it's all that matters. And I'm very weird about these. I don't rip the stickers. I try to keep them intact so I know what color it is. And ooh, baby Jesus. Welcome back to my channel. Hi, how are ya? Sickening color. It's like a gold, very nude. Honestly, I kind of, hi Tank, you're saying hello to the fans? It kind of coincides with the whole theme that I got. It's very nudie-woody, which is not my safe zone. It's my unsafe zone. But I will be making cute looks with this. Look forward to upcoming videos, unboxings, looks, because the bitch needs to do a look. It's been over a year, and my makeup's definitely changed by then. So anyway, thanks for joining. Make sure you like it, and hit the subscribe button on top. Peace out, Girl Scout.